21st of September 2022. We have Kone, no, it's Taivaanvuohentie. Vuohentie? Yeah.
Yes.
Vägen 4 Stakes B. And we have just filmed the Stakes A, which you can also watch here. This was built in the beginning of 1966, as it says 1965 in the bunker. So, yeah, built by Kone in the beginning of 1966, turned 55 years old in last year, 2021. This is in station 1, 3, 7, 7, 2, 5 floors. But this should have been floor K, and then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Because this is the basement floor. It's going to be inspected in 2024. Here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Helsingfors, modernized Finland. 2 rides. I love the sounds of this building.
Yeah, same. Niissä tiippaakin vaiskuttaa, että me ei tee vai on siis sonnevi scriptissä.
And here it should have been in Swedish and Finnish, especially on Lauttasaari.
Yeah.
They forgot it here. I should have been.
That's
Thank you very much for watching. That's it.